Okay, we are moving on to page 6, and this is some exciting stuff because we get to change notes now. So on the viola, you can only play 4 different pitches with the open strings. To get every other note on the instrument, we have to press our finger on the string and press the string down to the fingerboard. So very carefully, I'm going to show you what happens when we press our fingers. So we're looking to push the string all the way down to the wood, and you can see the string deflecting there. And when we do that, we should get as good of a sound as on the open string, and that gives us the way that we change notes. So the closer we get to the bridge, the shorter we make the string, and the higher the note goes. Also, when we say the alphabet forwards, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, our notes get higher in pitch and they go higher towards the top of the page. And as we say the alphabet backwards, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, the pitch gets lower and it goes towards the bottom of the page. So, on your instruments, if you're in my 5th grade class, you will have a sticker on the fingerboard that has colorful lines which show you where to put first, second, and third finger. If you're in one of my advanced classes, you might have one tape where your third finger goes, and then we learn where the others go next to that. And then this one is a relatively new viola to our program, so it doesn't have a tape yet, but we have a special trick to figure out where your finger goes for this first note. So in number 10, we're learning where G is, and the nice thing is that we have a G string, the next string down from D, the other middle string. So that G string is going to be the same sound at the octave, so 8 notes higher. So our third finger goes about this far up the neck. I'll try to get you a good view here. So we go about that far up the neck, and then second finger goes right underneath, and then first finger splits the difference of the rest of the string. And later, those are going to be our 3 notes. So G, F sharp, E, D. And we'll get more to that later. Right now, you do want to have all 3 of your fingers pressing down on the string. It helps while we're building our hand strength up to have all 3 fingers pressed, because your fingers are going to get rather tired, especially your third finger pressing that string down the whole time. Your pinky finger we'll use in a couple of pages. For right now, try to let it float above or right next to, but don't ever get in the habit of tucking it underneath. It takes too much time to bring it up if we tuck it down there. Okay, so for number 10, again, we'll check the low G string and check that our third finger sounds like a relative of that note. And we're going to go and play number 10. Now, if you accidentally get your string part of the way up and don't get it tucked down all the way, and it's here, and it's not quite pressing the string down all the way, you're going to get this sound. Not this nice sound, but... So it takes a little bit of pressure from your finger, and really we're pushing up with this knuckle from the first finger, and we're pushing down with the third finger. You don't want to use your palm in the middle there. Remember, straight wrists the whole time. All right, we're going to move to the faster tempo and try that again. 1, 2, ready, play.